Welcome to 8th grade math just-in-time videos. This video will include useful information to get us started this second 9 weeks. Let's look at our 8th grade scope and sequence. Our newly and improved scope and sequence now allows for extra days for teachers to catch up, assess students, and/or use this time to review. These days are embedded within our calendar days. We will first learn about developing function foundations in Module 2, which we started last 9 weeks, and will continuing for 23 more days, scheduled from October 14th to November 15th. We will then move on to Module 3 and learn about data everywhere. We will cover this topic for 13 days starting November 18th and ending December 20th. The big ideas in Module 2 are those in which students begin to understand that a function is a predominant concept studied in algebra courses. They will develop functional foundations with a deep conceptual understanding of functions. Students will define a function as a rule that assigns each input in a relation to exactly one output. They explore linear function, specifically how they are represented, how they build from prior knowledge, and how they can be used to analyze data. We will then move on to Module 3, in which students will learn the importance of representative samples for the purpose of making generalizations about the populations represented by samples. Students will compare the measures of center and measures of variability of two different populations. Students will be introduced to mean absolute deviation in this module as an additional measure of variability to compare data sets. They will contrast bivariate sets of data that suggest a linear relationship from those that do not. They will use trend lines to approximate the suggested linear relationship to make predictions. To give you a snapshot of what our second 9 weeks will look like, here is our year at a glance. We will break Module 2 to 3 topics. Topic 1 will cover from proportions to linear relationships. Topic 2 will cover linear relationships, and Topic 3 will cover introduction to functions. We will then move to Module 3. In Topic 1, we will cover patterns in bivariate data, and Topic 2 will cover variability and sampling. We will now take a look at our curriculum module guide. Module 2, Topic 1, From Proportions to Linear Relationships. In this lesson, students build on their knowledge of ratio and proportional relationships to develop connection between proportional relationships, lines, and linear equations. Here are some lessons to check for understanding, such as Jack and Jill went up the hill, slippery slopes, and up, down, and all around. Performance tasks are available for each module. They are optional. You will now plan for end-of-topic assessment. Module 2, Topic 2, Linear Relationships. In this unit, students develop fluency with analyzing linear relationships, writing equations of lines, and graphing lines. You will now plan for mid-topic assessment and end-of-topic assessment. Module 2, Topic 3, Introduction to Functions. In this topic, students will learn that a function is a relation in which each input of the domain has exactly one output. Performance tasks are available for each module. They are optional. You will now plan for mid-topic assessment and end-of-topic assessment. Module 3. Topic 1. Patterns in bivariate data. During this topic, students review the statistical process and investigate associations in bivariate data, both quantitative and categorical. You will now plan for mid-topic assessment and end-of-topic assessment. Module 3, Topic 2, Variability and Sampling. During this topic, students begin by analyzing two datasets displayed as dot plots that have the same mean, but with different amounts of spread. This concludes our second 9 weeks. We can now plan for our second 9 weeks CBA. In conclusion, enjoy your digital resources offered by our district, which you have access to, such as My Carnegie Learning. Here you will find your digital student and teacher, Carnegie Learning textbook editions, and Mathia. For more resources, please visit EPISD Schoology or contact your designated math, CTC, or facilitator.